This week we will be talking about the life cycle of a butterfly. What do you know about butterflies? Well, let's explore butterflies. The life cycle of a butterfly. Before a butterfly becomes a butterfly, it goes through many changes. There are 4 main stages in the monarch butterfly's life cycle. First, there is the egg, then there's the larva or the caterpillar, then there's a pupa or a chrysalis, and then finally it becomes an adult butterfly. First, there is the egg. The butterfly lays an egg on a leaf. Second, the caterpillar. The egg hatches into a caterpillar. The caterpillar begins to eat the leaf and many other things and grow big and strong. Third, there is a chrysalis or a cocoon. The caterpillar begins to hang himself from a branch and begins to make his chrysalis or his cocoon. Fourth, the butterfly. The caterpillar stays inside the chrysalis or the cocoon for 2 weeks. While he is inside, he grows wings. The caterpillar emerges from the cocoon. It is now a beautiful butterfly. Now it is video time. Let's watch this take place. Advanced words. Now it is time to advance our children's vocabulary. Hibernation is a period an animal spends in the winter in a dormant place. Caterpillar. A newborn caterpillar is about 2 millimeters long. First it eats the eggshell, then it eats the milkweed leaf that house the egg, and then it keeps eating milkweed plants until it is a ½ centimeter long and weighs 2,700 times more than when it was hatched. Cocoon or chrysalis. This is the life stage of a caterpillar undergoing transformation. When the caterpillar attaches himself to the branch, this is what happens. He makes himself a cocoon, a place for him to stay for 2 weeks. Pupa. Pupa is an insect in its inactive form between larva and adult, also known as chrysalis. When the caterpillar attaches himself to the branch, he does not move. He does not move until his chrysalis is complete. Cocoon. A cocoon is a silky case spun by an insect for protection during the pupa stage. When the caterpillar is inside his cocoon, he is very well protected, so other animals will not bother him. Nectar. Nectar is a milky sap for the butterflies to eat. When the butterfly goes to the next plant, he drops off pollen from the first plant onto the second plant. This pollen fertilizes the milkweed seed and allows the plant to reproduce. The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop, out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through two pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through three plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through four strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through five oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through one piece of chocolate cake, one ice cream cone, one pickle, one slice of Swiss cheese, one slice of salami, one lollipop, one piece of cherry pie, one sausage, one cupcake, and one slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomach ache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through one nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. The end. Let's answer some story questions. What did a caterpillar eat first? How did the egg land on the leaf? How long did the caterpillar stay in the cocoon? How do you think the caterpillar felt after eating so much food? Can you name some of the other things the caterpillar ate? Recall or sequencing. Let's see if we remember the stages of the butterfly's life cycle. Do you remember what happens first? Well, what happens second? Can you tell me what happens next? What happens last? You're right. First, the butterfly lays an egg on a leaf. Then the egg hatches and a caterpillar emerges. The caterpillar begins to eat leaves and lots of other things, and then he attaches himself to a branch to make his cocoon or his chrysalis. And after about 4 weeks, the butterfly emerges. Here are some reinforcement activities you and a parent can try at home. B is for butterfly. Can you find the letter B? How many butterflies do you see? Count the number of butterflies and write the answer in the box. Same and different. Which two butterflies are the same? Which one is different? How is it different? Now, if you have Play-Doh at home, you can make the 4 stages of a butterfly. You can use your Play-Doh to make the egg. You can use it to make your caterpillar. You can even make a chrysalis or a cocoon. And then finally, you can also make a butterfly. You can also go outside for a butterfly observation. You can go outside and count how many butterflies you see. You can chart the number, the color, the shape, and the size of your butterfly. Parents, let's talk. How are you doing? How do you feel about the end of the school year and the progress of your child? Is there anything we can help you with?